Mercury, the first planet from the Sun. It's the smallest world, where a year lasts only 88 days. The temperature contrast here is extreme, from a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day to minus 290 degrees at night. Data from NASA's Messenger probe revealed an anomaly. Mercury is actually a giant iron core covered by a thin layer of rock. This core occupies 85% of the planet. Researchers from Johns Hopkins University using gravity mapping proved the planet could not have formed this way naturally. It looks like a cosmic victim from which an unknown collision literally stripped away the entire crust, leaving a bare metallic heart. The standard accretion model cannot explain such a structure. Venus, Earth's twin with a temperature of 870 degrees Fahrenheit and metal-crushing pressure. It rotates in the opposite direction, and its day lasts 243 Earth days. Venus was considered dead until a team from Cardiff University, using the James Webb Telescope, detected phosphine and ammonia in its clouds. On Earth, these gases are products of bacterial life. The Parker Solar Probe recorded low-frequency radio emissions, indicating complex processes in the atmosphere. NASA is forced to reconsider the theory of sterility. Either an unknown form of life exists in the acidic clouds, or our fundamental chemistry has gaps. Earth, a Garden of Eden in the cosmic wasteland. The only planet with liquid water and a stable temperature of 60 degrees Fahrenheit. A unique and beautiful anomaly on a galactic scale. New research by Harvard geologists points to the anomalous stability of our magnetic field. It doesn't just protect us, it works too perfectly for the dynamo effect of a molten core. Mathematical modeling shows, without the anomalously large moon, which appeared as a result of a chance impact with the planet Theia, Earth's axis would be chaotic. Just imagine that our presence here is the result of a chain of countless incredible coincidences that science still cannot explain. Mars. This planet has captured the minds of the whole world. A red desert with a temperature of minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit, where vast oceans of liquid water once existed. Mars is the main challenge for geologists. The Perseverance rover, using the Sherlock instrument, discovered complex organics in Jezero crater. And the Mars Express probe's radar confirmed the presence of underground lakes of liquid water at the South Pole. From orbit, branched networks of ancient riverbeds that once fed vast Martian oceans are clearly visible. But the main sensation is the methane spikes recorded by Curiosity. Scientists from the University of Colorado proved methane appears seasonally, as if the planet has an internal cycle of activity. Mars is not geologically dead. It hides processes that we are only beginning to understand. Jupiter, just imagine the scale. It is so huge that it could fit 1,300 planets like our Earth inside. Its magnetic field is 20,000 times stronger than ours. The Juno probe, measuring the gravitational field, debunked the theory of a solid core. It turned out to be fuzzy and mixed with metallic hydrogen. Physicists from Cambridge suggest this is the result of a head-on collision with a planet 10 times larger than Earth during the formation stage. Additionally, Jupiter turned out to have 3 magnetic poles, which breaks the classical laws of electrodynamics. It's not just a planet, but an active laboratory that ignores our textbooks. But Jupiter's main mystery is its Great Red Spot, a vortex that has been raging for over 350 years and is so huge that our entire Earth would easily disappear in it. We used to think it was just a surface storm, but Juno's data shocked scientists. The roots of this vortex go 300 miles deep into the planet. It's not just wind. It's a colossal energy pillar that heats Jupiter's atmosphere to incredible temperatures. However, this eternal storm has begun to rapidly shrink and change shape, calling into question all our predictions about the stability of gas giants. Saturn! Its rings are simply amazing. They are 175,000 miles wide. At its pole, a storm called the Hexagon rages in the shape of a 6-sided figure. This defies any explanation. The Cassini mission left scientists baffled by it. Hydrodynamics says a storm should be circular. However, specialists from Oxford, using supercomputer modeling, still couldn't explain how the hexagon maintains its perfect geometry for decades. It looks like an unknown form of matter ordering. Add to this the fact that Saturn's rings are young formations, only 100 million years old. They shouldn't be there according to classical theory, but they are. Uranus and Neptune, icy worlds. Uranus rotates at an angle of 98 degrees. And on Neptune, winds rage at speeds of 1,300 miles per hour. Data from the Keck Observatory and old measurements from Voyager 2 call thermodynamics into question. Uranus lies on its side, which is incredible. And no model explains how it hasn't lost its 27 moons. Neptune, meanwhile, radiates 2.6 times more heat than it receives from the Sun, which is simply astounding and raises a lot of questions. Scientists from Caltech suggest that deep inside these planets, the compression of carbon creates diamond rains that release energy. The theory of solar heat as the main driver is officially powerless here. We live in a system we don't understand,